This video covers categories and weighting. To access the screen, tap on the door icon on the top of the action bar. And here you'll see you have two choices of points or standards grading system. There's another video that covers the difference between the two. In this case, categories and weighting are available for the points system only. If you see there's a switch to enable categories and weighting, you can choose to just have categories enabled, and that way you can assign a category to each assignment, but the assignments are still weighted by the relative points that you set as the maximum points. If you want to also use weighting, just enable the weighting switch. Then below this, you can add up to 10 categories for each class. And each of these categories and weighting is on a per class basis. So I can tap the category button. I will set up 2 or 3 categories here. First will be tests. I'll add another one, let's say quiz. And lastly, let's add homework. Ooh, let's see, there we go. All right, and as for weighting, you could say, you can use a percent basis here. So you could say 50% for quizzes. We'll say 30%, I'm sorry, for tests, 30 for quizzes, and 20% for homework. You can also just use a relative weighting. So I could have put 5 for test, 3 for quiz, and 2 for homework, and that would have given the same value as well. All right, once you're done, simply go back. I already have assignments listed here, but to add a new assignment, I'll add the new assignment button, and you'll see there's a title. Let's call this test 3. And now you have the category option. So I can tap there, and now I have a selection of the categories. I can enter the maximum points, and that's done. If you go back, if you already created assignments that don't have categories, those won't be included in the grade yet. So you need to tap and view the assignment, tap on the edit option, and you'll now have the option to select a category. In this case, test, and you'll have to go back and just fix any assignments that have not been assigned their category there. All right, so that's how you set up categories and weighting. The grade that's calculated now is going to be a grade based on the weighting that you've now set. All right, hope you enjoy that video and take a look at the other ones.